Dear students, today I am going to teach you chapter 18, area of trapezium and a polygon. And chapter 17 will be taught after some time because this is the chapter of construction. And before starting the solution, I will try to solve construction, chapter 17. So, area of trapezium equal to area of trapezium equal to half into a plus b into drh, where a equal to a and b are parallel sides, and d equal to distance between them, means distance between parallel sides. If we draw a figure of trapezium, then ABCD, it is A, it is B and it is D. आज कहीं किसी बुक में इसको HD लिखा होता है, तो सम हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स इंटू डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. Look, question number 2. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 38.7 centimeter and 22.3 centimeter and the distance between them is 16 centimeter. Question number 2. A equal to 38.7 centimeter, B equal to 22.3 centimeter and D equal to 16 centimeter. By applying this formula, area of trapezium equal to half into A plus B into B, half into 38.7 plus 22.3 into 16 centimeter, and it will be equal to square 2 8 and 7 3 10 11 3 to 5.6 into 8 centimeter square, means 8 1 8 and 8 6 48. 488 centimeter square. This is your answer. Question number 5. Now question number 5. Read this question very carefully. A field is in the form of trapezium. Its area is 158 centimeter square and distance between its parallel sides is 26 meters. If one parallel side is 84 meters, find the other. It is given, question number 5. Area of trapezium equal to 1586 meter square. It is given, and distance between them d equal to 26 meter, and one of the parallel side is 84 meter. Then find the other side. Therefore b equal to the area of trapezium equal to half into a plus b into h rd. Is 1586 is equal to half into a 84 plus b into d 26 13 r 13 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. 84 प्लस b इक्वल टू 1586 अपॉन 13. 13 1 जा 13, 13 2 जा 26 and 13 2 जा 26. Therefore b equal to 122 minus 84 meter. 12 minus 4 8 and 11 minus 8 3. So other side is 38 meter. Now look question number 10. Question number 10. In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AD is parallel to BC and angle ABC equal to 90 degree, AD equal to 16 centimeter, AC equal to 41 centimeter and BC equal to 40 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium. The figure of trapezium is given. A B C D, A B C D, and it is equal to 90 degree. AD equal to 16 centimeter. AC equal to join AC. AC equal to 41 centimeter. 41 centimeter. And BC equal to 40 centimeter. Then find the area of this trapezium. हमें डिस्टेंस नहीं दिया गया, हमें पैरेलल साइड दिया गया, ए दिया गया है, बी दिया गया, लेकिन डिस्टेंस नहीं दिया गया है. तो डिस्टेंस कैसे हम लोग निकालेंगे? इन दिस ट्रायंगल ABC, AC is hypotenuse and BC is base. Then we have to find perpendicular of this triangle by applying Pythagoras theorem. Question number 10. It is question number 10. By applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, and AC square equal to 41 square, and AB we have to find out, and BC equal to 40. 41 square equal to 416. 1681. 1681 is equal to AB square plus 1600. So AB square equal to 1681 minus 1600 is equal to 81. Therefore, AB equal to under root 81 equal to 9 centimeter. So, area of trapezium ABCD equal to half into AD plus BC into AB. Half into AD means 16 plus 40 into 9 centimeter square. Half into 56 into 9 centimeter square. 28, and it is equal to 9 8 ja 72 and 9 2 ja 18 and 7 25. So your answer is 252 centimeter. So I think you may solve this exercise, and if you have any problem you may ask me. Thank you.